Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll be talking about the Tesla Model Y, and depending on the options that you add, the price change fluctuates tremendously. So for example, let's go to the Tesla Model Y here, and we're going to do order it now. And as you can see, if we go with the long range rear wheel drive, it doesn't give you the options for the 5-seaters, for the 7-seaters, right? So, however, if you want the 7-seaters, you gotta get the long range. And let's say that if you put like stealth gray, and you see here, you put a black color, right? Interior, and 5-seaters, we go 7-seaters, and it costs us $2,000 for the third row. However, if we just move the interior into this one to black and white, and the 7-seaters now becomes $1,000. Or if we go up to the colors, we go to like where we, instead of like a free color, let's say go white colors, and it goes down to 1,000. So Tesla is really playing with our minds here. So it's keep on increasing price, decreasing price, all kinds of stuff. So why? I thought Tesla used to be very simple. One price, boom. But now you do a lot of all this different configuration, and they change everything, right? So you go to like a red color, 2,000, and you can see here, 1,000 for a third row. And even if you add this one, shouldn't it be free now that you pay the exterior for 2,000? No, it's not. You still got to pay 1,000. So different interior and exterior colors that you upgrade, that you pay additionally, it will make the third row $1,000 cheaper. All right, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Just want to make it quick, shorts out there for you guys. Just if you guys are curious about it. If you guys like the video, feel free to give a like, and if you love the Tesla content, make sure you subscribe for more. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.